Hi everyone. Amen Tools is here with a new video today. This video is here to explain you about how to transfer text into company provided notepads. These are the company provided data entry images. Just have a glance at an image. These images should be converted into text format. Look, this is the converted text file. Our Amen Tools team have converted this through Amen Image to Text Converter software. I'll explain you about auto typing process. Open Amen auto typing software. Open company provided Notepad Plus WRT data entry software. Click on Upload folder and select Converted Text File. Select file number, click on Begin and place the cursor in the Notepad Plus Data Entry software. Amen Autotyping software is a software tool that automatically inputs a predetermined sequence of characters into an input field. In data entry work, Amen Autotyper software can be used to automate and streamline the process of entering large amounts of data into company-given software. This can help to reduce errors and improve efficiency, saving time and reducing the workload for data entry professionals. Our Amen Autotype revitalize keyboard keystrokes just like manual typing. It means client software cannot detect Autotyper. It will help you to save time. Work will be done in a smart way, not in a hard way. It increases the worker's freedom and it will reduce the work stress. We will provide you a sample demo. You can see our sample trail versions and sample conversions. If you are satisfied with the trail version and demo conversions, then we can start working and you can discuss with us. If you have any doubts, you will contact us 24/7. After completion of auto typing process, once cross-check everything and then click on Save. While saving, the file will be saved into .wrt extension. After completion of auto typing process, once cross-check everything and then click on Save. While saving, the file will be saved into .wrt extension. You can see the saved file here. Thanks for watching. For more information, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Hope our video helped you.